It's time to decorate for Valentine's Day, and let's make a Valentine's heart tree. So grab some thin branches from your yard and make or buy some little hearts. So here I have made mine using some foam sheets which I already had, and I drew some hearts and I cut them out, or you can get it from your craft stores. And I have all these branches ready. Now you have to hot glue these hearts to these branches like this, and that's pretty much it. So complete all the branches by attaching all these hearts. This is going to be the easiest and the cheapest Valentine's Day craft ever you have made. So once you are ready with all your branches, grab any vase of your choice and put them inside, and that's how you make your Valentine's heart tree.